Here's a short follow-up to the Berlin WelcomeCard guide, answering the most common 8 questions travelers have. Let's start with number 1. The welcome card only becomes valid once it's activated. If it's a paper version, stamp it at a yellow BVG machine before the first ride. For digital cards, activation starts when the first travel date is selected in the app. Once it's active, the validity period begins. Each traveler needs their own welcome card. It is personal and non-transferable. Children under 6 can travel for free with an adult. For digital cards, keep a backup, like a screenshot or printed version. If the card is lost or cannot be displayed, a new card will need to be purchased. Once the card is activated, the start date cannot be changed. If it hasn't been used yet, some online sellers may allow a limited refund or exchange depending on their policy. Even without visiting museums or tours, the card can still save time and effort. Frequent travel on public transport makes it convenient. However, if mostly walking, a regular day ticket may be cheaper. The welcome card provides transport access and discounts at attractions. The Berlin Pass includes free entry to many museums and tours but usually does not include public transport and costs more. Choosing depends on sightseeing plans. With an ABC zone ticket, reaching the airport is possible. It covers travel between central Berlin and Brandenburg Airport, including regional trains. The official website and the Welcome Card app list all partner attractions. Filters are available by category, neighborhood, or attraction name, helping plan visits in advance. If you have any other questions, drop them in the comments. For a detailed overview, don't forget to watch the previous video for a full explanation. Safe travels and see you in the next video.